welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your account in Netflix. So guys, if you want to delete your Netflix account, but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. So guys, just go ahead and be on your home page of your Netflix. And once you're here, just look at this top bar where you can find home, TV shows, movies, latest, my list, browse by languages. And again, in the right corner, the search bar, the kids option, notification button, and your profiles. We just need to go to profiles over here. And now you can find your profiles and you can see manage profile, transfer profile, and account. You just need to go ahead and tap on account and wait for it to load. So now you're in your overview. Then right under overview, we can find membership, security, devices, and profiles. So go ahead and tap on security and now scroll down all the way, and now you can find delete account right here. So once you tap on delete account, you would successfully be able to delete your Netflix account. So guys, there you go. That's how you delete your Netflix account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.